Welcome to the enriching world of lake hosting, where every detail weaves into the fabric of unforgettable guest experiences. Let's go on a journey to transform your space into a sanctuary of warmth, personalized touches, and lasting memories. The guest journey begins with a memorable first impression. Whether through a heartfelt personal greeting or a streamlined self-check-in, the tone for a remarkable stay is set from this very first moment. Elevate this first encounter with a gesture of unparalleled hospitality, a welcome basket. Tailor this basket to reflect the local flavor. Include gourmet treats, handcrafted goodies, or even a guide to hidden gems in your area. This small act of kindness shows guests that they're entering a space where their comfort and happiness are paramount. Imagine stepping into a cozy vacation rental, your eyes catching the warm sight of a welcome basket brimming with goodies and a personal note just for you. Welcome to the art of creating unforgettable experiences with welcome baskets. A welcome basket is more than just a collection of items. It's a heartfelt gesture that sets the tone for an exceptional visit. It's that unexpected surprise that adds an extra layer of hospitality, transforming a simple stay into a memorable journey. Each welcome basket that you prepare is a unique opportunity to establish a meaningful connection with your guests. It's your first impression and proof of your commitment to their comfort. So why do welcome baskets hold such significance? They show extra care, enhance the guest experience, encourage positive reviews, and leave behind memorable keepsakes. I remember a gift basket that was left for our family once at a vacation home in Italy on Lake Como. Fresh fruit, goodies, and our first dinner was taken care of with homemade ragu. Nothing beats that level of catering, and certainly set a high bar for other hosts. There was also a coupon that we could use at a local pizzeria, and we felt very much taken care of with tips on where to get coffee. It's not just about providing a place to stay, is it? It's about crafting an unforgettable experience from the moment guests walk through your door. So, how do you create a welcome basket that speaks volumes? Start with a personal note of welcome. A few warm words can truly light up someone's stay, making them feel uniquely valued. Include essentials like the Wi-Fi password and contact information. But don't stop there. Add personal touches, mention local spots not to be missed, and acknowledge the purpose of their visit. It's these little details that make all the difference. Don't forget to include a comprehensive guide to your space. This isn't just another booklet. It's a roadmap to living like a local and seizing every moment of their stay. Creating a welcome basket is an art that enhances the guest experience, forging lasting impressions and building strong relationships from the start. It's about going above and beyond, showing guests that they're not just renting a space, they're embarking on an unforgettable journey. Beyond the initial welcome, transform your property into a haven of tranquility and comfort. Utilize underused spaces to craft cozy retreats, offering guests secluded nooks for relaxation and reflection. Greenery breathes life into your space, injecting vibrancy and freshness. Incorporate a mix of air purifying and decorative plants to enhance the ambiance, making your guests feel enveloped in a nurturing environment. Personalization is the heart of memorable hosting. From adapting your space with family-friendly comforts to celebrating guest milestones with thoughtful surprises, show your guests how much you care. Anticipate your guests' leisure interests. Whether it's providing equipment for a beach day, setting up a convenient grilling spot, or offering workout equipment so they don't miss the gym, your attention to detail can turn moments into memories. Design your space to evoke feelings of comfort, joy, or relaxation, and let inspiration from your surroundings guide your choices, creating an atmosphere that connects with guests on a deeper level. Share the unique story of your property and its surroundings. Highlight local attractions, share personal anecdotes, and reveal the history that makes your space one of a kind. Ensure your guests have everything they need for a seamless stay. From essential amenities to a detailed guidebook, your meticulous preparation allows them to fully enjoy their journey. Be there for your guests, ready to assist at a moment's notice. Providing multiple contact options offers reassurance and shows your commitment to their well-being. By embracing these guiding principles, you craft an experience that celebrates the art of hosting with Lake.com. Your journey as a host is filled with opportunities to make every guest feel special.